First, I start my morning with hot lemon water. This is super good for your overall health, and it also helps a lot with digestion. So I usually just take a big mug and fill it with water, heat it up for 2.5 minutes, and then I squeeze half of a fresh lemon into it. And then I drink this out of a straw to protect my teeth, and usually drink it while I get ready. For breakfast, I'm making peanut butter toast, so I'm using Dave's Killer Bread. I'm not sure exactly which kind it is. It's just like a whole wheat. I have a little glass of green juice and a protein drink. This one is from Harmless Harvest and it's coconut flavor. It is so yummy and obviously vegan. So I usually eat my breakfast while I'm doing something else. For example, today I'm doing selects and answering emails and just getting a little bit of work done while I eat these things. And I'm also going to take my daily vitamin right now. Then for lunch, I'm gonna make these chicken patties. These are so good. They taste exactly like chicken. I'm pretty sure, I can't really remember chicken, but pretty sure they taste just like it. And I'm making 4, so Clayton's probably gonna have 2.5, and I'm gonna have 1.5. And then I'm also making some green peas, and I just boil them, add in a little bit of vegan butter and some oat milk, and then I'm gonna stir that all together, mush it up, and then add half an avocado to it. And then I'm gonna have another half of the avocado, and I'm gonna use this Follow Your Heart honey mustard dressing to dip chicken patties in. It's really good together, and they have lots of salad dressings that are all vegan, and they're super good for dipping or salads. And again, I'm usually eating in kind of a hurry, and while I'm having lunch, I'm just gonna do some work on my phone. Alright, so we are headed out to do some work. We're gonna go shoot a couple of looks and probably be out of the house for the rest of the afternoon until we finish shooting and we go back home to cook dinner. So I have to show you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me talk about this water bottle 1,000 times, but if you're new here, this water bottle is life-changing. So before I bought this water bottle, I probably drank like 10 ounces of water a day. I'm not exaggerating. It was really bad. I just didn't like drinking water, and it was really hard for me to get myself to drink any water. So I got this 64-ounce water bottle off Amazon. I will link it in the description box, and it has little time markers on it for, it says 7 a.m. good morning, and then 9 a.m. you've got it, 11 a.m. don't stop. So it's all these little markers of how much water you should have drinking by that time, and it's also little encouraging notes, which I think is so cool, and it actually works so well for me. It's crazy. Sometimes I drink 2 of these a day now, which is a full gallon of water, which is insane compared to what I used to do. And it's just literally the best water bottle ever. It's got like a straw, and it's super easy to drink out of, if you know what I'm talking about. Some straws have a lot of resistance and you have to suck really hard to get the water out. This one is just like a normal straw that you would get at a restaurant or something. It's really easy to drink out of. It's got a nice handle, and it's just the best thing ever. So I bring that pretty much everywhere with me and drink it throughout the day. And if I'm ever behind, I'll just take like literally a minute or something to drink until it gets to the right level for that time, which is pretty easy to do. And I feel like drinking that much water has helped so many things for my body. So it's obviously so good for your skin, and it's really good for your energy. It makes you feel more awake and energized. Being hydrated is just so important. And it also helps with feeling like I'm full. So sometimes when you're dehydrated, you think you're hungry because you actually just need water. and then you end up eating when you don't really need to eat anymore. So I feel like this helps with that. It's also really good for bloating. So honestly, there's no reason that you shouldn't buy this and drink it every day. Okay, so we just got done shooting some looks. It's 4 o'clock. These are the snacks that I always have in my purse pretty much. Inca corn, get them at Pavilions, and they're just really good. I also love snacking on the spicy trail mix from Pavilions and plantain chips, and also when I'm being really naughty, like cookie dough or something. So we eat these all the time. It's just really smart to have snacks in your purse. It's a life hack because I get hungry a lot. Clayton calls me a hungry koala who is always having snacks in her purse. Isn't that right?
Very true.
Next, I'm just having a little snack. So we had blueberries in the fridge. Seemed like a pretty healthy little snack. So I'm just gonna munch on probably like 20 of these. And again, I'm working while I'm doing that. Now it's time to make dinner, and we're gonna have mushroom tacos. So I have this huge pile of mushrooms that I'm gonna chop up as small as possible, and it looks like so much, but it actually turns into so little. So I'm gonna add some olive oil to the pan and let those cook up, and then I'm gonna make homemade refried beans. So I just take pinto beans and a little bit of vegan chicken broth and boil those up. And then for the mushrooms, I'm just seasoning them with red pepper, paprika, cumin, garlic salt, taco-like seasonings. And for the beans, once they start boiling, I'm going to start mashing them up and getting them nice and smooth. And Clayton is going to make some Spanish rice from Rice-A-Roni. We have the vegan butter from Earth Balance. And then we're gonna use these Siete gluten-free tortillas. They are so good, they're really healthy, and I honestly prefer them over normal tortillas. The beans are done, the tortillas are done, just heat them up a bit. And then I'm gonna use vegan sour cream, and I put that on my first layer of tacos, and then I do beans, and then mushrooms and lettuce. I would use avocado, but this one was too hard for me, so I'm not using it. And a little bit of Siete hot sauce. This layering of tacos is sort of a hack to make it all stay in, and I don't know, it just works really well and we love it. For dessert, I usually have a piece of cookie dough. This is the brand Sweet Loren's, and it's so good. My favorite flavor is the chocolate. And then I'm just gonna have a little bit of oat milk, and that's all I had for today. So if you guys like this video and you would like to see more what I eat in the day videos, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up. A lot of you requested this, so I'm assuming that you like it, and if you would like to see more variations, I'd be more than happy to do them. So let me know, and thanks for watching.